My city's had a lot of trouble sleeping. She's up all night, breaking through the windows and the ceilings, scraping stars from the sky. And my city's made a habit out of crying all through the night. They say she likes the harmony of sirens and the time of the traffic lights. But I love my city, my sleepless city. I'll do her sleeping for free. Yeah, I love my city, my sleepless city. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. My city's picking fights across the water with a worn-out moon, and I watch her from my honey-colored corner, a quiet room where I hung a little picture of my darling, black and white, but it's been fading on the yellow wall in Harlem since she left that night. But I love my city, my sleepless city. I'll do her sleeping for free. Yeah, I love my city, my sleepless city. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Sleepless city, I'll do her sleeping for free. Yeah, I love my city, my sleepless city. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Yeah, she can do my crying for me. Yeah, she can do